Okay, bitches, this is now how I have to put my hair to be able to do my fucking makeup because it's very fucking short and it's all on my forehead. Like, I never knew that my forehead was so big. I never knew it, bitch. What the fuck is this? Let's do my fucking makeup. So, bitches, we're finally doing a little get ready with me at the new fucking house, bitch. And I'm still, like, getting used to it because I feel so tiny in here, okay? I really do. I feel fucking tiny in here, but it feels good. Like, bitch, I really did this. I really did this with no man. I really did it. For like the past 5 fucking days, a bitch was showering with cold ass fucking water because the gas in this house wasn't working for some reason. Like it was disconnected, and I never knew that there was no gas. There was no like a water tank in here. There's no water tank. It's done with gas, and like, bitch, I just didn't know. So hold on. I was literally having to come up the fucking stairs with a bucket of hot water, bitch. Like literally heating it up on the fucking stove, okay, so that I could have hot water because, bitch, I guess I felt really when I was walking up with the bucket, I was like, am I in Cuba? Am I in Cuba? Like, what the fuck is going on? Literally, throwback because I used to have to shower with a fucking bucket, in case you didn't know. Anyways, though, thankfully they came today and like they did all the fixing that they had to do, and I finally have fucking hot water, and I was literally just jumping there like, bitch, I got hot water. Like, I was excited for hot water, but like, I'm just thankful. I'm thankful even for some fucking hot water, bitch. Yes, the fuck I am, and I'm thankful for every single one of y'all. Okay, so I have a little story time for y'all. The day that I was like moving in, my brother noticed that there was like these girls like 2-3 houses over that were like looking over here or like looking at me or something. And then my brother was like, oh, look, like they probably think they have a little friend now because I'm so fucking tiny. They were like, I don't know how old they are, but they're like little girls, and I'm so tiny that like sometimes people do mistake me for just a little girl from middle school because I'm 4'11". So then I was just like, oh, cool. Like, I thought it was really cute how they were just like looking over here. I didn't really mind it. So then the next day I come out and I have a little like sitting area in the front. And there was a little bracelet left there with a little like ring made out of like little rubber bands. I used to make those when I was little. But the thing was that there was no nothing. I literally could not know. Like, I didn't know who left that. So I'm like, okay, like who left this here? Like, did a ghost come overnight? Because this was not here last night. But then when I told my parents about it and my brother, they were like, oh, like that was probably the little girls that, thought they have like a new friend in their neighborhood now. So I'm like, oh shit, like it probably was. Like, that is so fucking cute. So then that same night, I'm like standing outside with my family and I see the girls and we're just like looking at each other. Like, just staring, like, should I go up? Should she come up? Like, we didn't know what the fuck to do. Okay, so then after staring at each other for like a minute or two, bitch, because we literally didn't know what the fuck to do, one of the girls just waves. So then I waved back and literally, like, I could have just screamed, but bitch, it was nighttime, like I didn't know. But then one of the girls, she's like, hey, and I'm like, hey, hold on. So then I fucking ran my ass over there and I was like, what's it, you guys? And then they were like, oh yeah, the little present we left you. And I'm like, yeah. And then, bro, I just thought that was so fucking sweet. Like, that was so cute. Fuck. Yeah, if you're the girl watching this, I just thought that was really fucking cute and I'm very thankful and it was really pretty and I really loved it and like you made my fucking day and probably my whole fucking week. It was really fucking cute. I really wanted to ask y'all, what type of content do you guys want to see more of? Like, do you guys want to see more vlogs, like real time, like during the day type of things, or like what type of fucking videos do y'all want? Because a lot of times I be feeling like I don't know what the fuck to do with my time, bitch. Like, what the fuck do I make a video about? You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like you guys are tired of hearing me talk about relationships because, bitch, I feel like I already healed everybody. Like, are we all healed? Are we all healed, bitch? Like, let me just check in on that. Also, y'all, if you have any fucking suggestions for my hair, like, let me know. It's just cutting is not an option because we're letting it grow to my fucking ass crack. I already said this, okay? But, like, let me know, bitch. Any hairstyles? Anything? Let me know. Love you, bitch.